This is an unpopular opinion. I absolutely hate Duo Lash Glue and don't think anyone should use it or keep it in their kit. Here's why and what to use instead. You have to wait for Duo to get tacky, and I'm super impatient, and if you don't wait long enough and it's still tacky when you apply it, it's gonna move all over your face and it's gonna make a mess. And God forbid you drop that lash and it lands on your clothes and you get the Duo on your clothes. That's latex, that's not gonna come off and you're gonna have to throw your shirt out. I speak from experience. Latex stinks. Do you want to put something that stinks on your eye? If you're a pro, you don't want that in your kit because you don't know if your client's going to be allergic or not. Instead, I want you to try Callus Lash Glue. It comes in clear and black. Both of them are latex free. You can get them at any pro retail store or on Amazon. And you don't have to wait for this to get tacky. You can put it on right away. Oops. Any lash glue that has this clear blue iridescence to it is going to work. In fact, Duo makes ones that look like that. They're in the blue packaging and the green packaging. Those are okay. A fun fact, it comes with the wand, so you just drag this along your lash band and it's good to go. If you're just starting out, I want you to use clear instead of the black because clear is going to be more forgiving. So God forbid you make a little slip and you get it on your eye, nobody's going to know. They're never going to know. You're going to keep your clothes. That's it. That's the rant. I said what I said. This and it lands on your clothes, well, you'll keep your clothes.